In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now hit this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Following that, to add an audio file, select Audio section. Click on one of those sources. Tap on your file by clicking on one of those dots. And when you finished, hit Done at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added. To add a video one, select Video section instead of Audio one. Click on your video and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!